Record-breaking heat, year after year. The models were right.
Initial report confirms ignition. Deploy Sector Alpha units immediately.
It's spreading fast, but we'll box it in.
Chief Sharma, update on the outskirts fire? Confident it's contained? It's growing, Mayor, but our fire breaks are designed for this. We'll hold the line.
Wind patterns are shifting, not what the models predicted for this time of year.
This fire's got teeth. Brace yourselves.
This is it. The fire break holds, or we're in for a long night.
No! It jumped! It just!
Jump the line!
The fire break! It was supposed to be impenetrable!
Chief, new data! The wind changed direction and intensified, drastically.
This isn't standard behavior. We're fighting a ghost. No, Senator, our defenses are!
Well, they were top tier.
Fall back! We can't hold this! It's too big!
All units, fall back to the river line. Prepare defenses at Riverbend Canyon.
This have to hold! The river's our last chance!
That's an absolute barrier, isn't it, Chief?
It should be, Mayor. But this fire is behaving unnaturally. We can only hope the water holds.
It jumped the river!
Impossible! Every line, every barrier gone! Immediate evacuation of Emerald Hill. No time to waste.
Get this road cleared! Everyone out now! We have to get out of here! It's right behind us! Watch out for the embers! The conditions. Im Toldiger's motors think of local rank. They're outside any historical precedent for these fire breaks. Keep moving! Stay calm! We'll get you out!
Our past defenses, they're just not enough for this. Then we build new ones, Chief. We adapt.
Everyone evacuate the area immediately! Oh God, it's moving too fast! The whole street is gone! We're losing ground! It's too hot! Too fast!
I understand the implications. Tell Central Command we need everything. We have to sacrifice this sector, create a new line here. It's the only way.
The ambient temperature is feeding this, accelerating combustion beyond anything we've prepared for.
You're saying our entire defense strategy is built for a climate that no longer exists?
Unfortunately, Chief, this isn't just a fire, it's a symptom.
Faster! We need more space! This fire won't wait!
It's still not enough. The ember showers are too widespread. All those years, gone in a blink. We underestimated it.
How do you fight something that just ignores everything?
The scale. It's beyond anything we could have imagined.
We need new science. New designs. A new understanding for a new world.
The fire is contained, but the cost to our city is immeasurable. This tragedy is a stark warning. We must rebuild not just for tomorrow, but for a changed future.
The data always tells a story. Now, we must write a new ending. Even after all this, life finds a way.
We're not just rebuilding. We're redesigning from the ground up, brick by brick.
Imagine self-cooling brickwork, green roofs that trap moisture, smarter urban forests. All right, bring that panel down nice and easy. Setting it now, Chief. Looks secure.
This city will rise stronger, more resilient. A beacon of adaptation.
These new materials? They're a game changer. We're ready for next time.